Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girlfriend Tiff, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these super easy bubble ponytails. Stay tuned. So I've already pre-sectioned my hair, and as you could see in the last clip, I cannot part to save my life, but that's fine because this style is not meant to be neat. The only product I used on my natural hair is this Kinky-Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. The type of hair that I used is this RastAfri Dreadlock braiding hair, which I purchased from my local beauty supply. I used 4 packs total, and I believe the color I got was number 2. And like always, I've pre-sectioned the hair that I'm going to be using on this sewing thread rack. You can get it at any Michael's, Joann's, Amazon, anywhere. It's super handy. So I went ahead and started just to kind of get my own little kinks and learning curves out of the way and to get sort of a rhythm and flow. As you can see, I got my girl Beyonce playing in the background. Homecoming gives me life, gives me energy, gives me everything. So I'm going to be using the crochet method for this style. The crochet method is actually one of my favorite methods to use when I'm doing a protective style. So I'm using 3 pieces of hair per ponytail, and I go ahead and crochet them in at different angles just to make sure I don't have any bald spots at the top. And once all the pieces are in, go ahead and give all the strands a quick little fluff. That way you have max volume for each ponytail. And it's no secret, you can clearly see that my natural hair and this braiding hair are 2 completely different textures, so I try to take one of the strands to wrap around the root of my hair just to try to conceal as much as my natural hair as possible. And then you're just going to go ahead and come in with your rubber bands and start your bubbles. So my goal was to try to completely conceal the braid of my natural hair into the ponytail. And when I tell you, my natural hair never actually really wants me to prosper when I have other hair in, like I'm not even kidding. It's always sticking out no matter how much gel I use, how much edge control I use, like she's always trying to be seen.
I feel like I was just on another planet.
So yeah, just continue on down the ponytail with your rubber bands. You can make them as short or as long as you want. You can make them as thick as you want. You can make your bubbles whatever size you want. I was going for a more dramatic effect, so I went ahead. I think I did about 8 or 9 rubber bands per ponytail, and I fluffed as much as I could. I was using this as more of kind of an editorial look, so that's what I was going for, more drama. And we're just going to go ahead and repeat the process with the rest of our ponytails.
I feel like I was just on another planet.
And dun, 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 here is the finished look. I'm not mad at it. You kind of have to manipulate it a little bit. As you can see, my hair is sticking out from left to right, but it's fine. The style is not meant to be too neat, and I feel like because I braided it, you can't really tell that the mixture is too off, so I'm actually kind of digging it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. It honestly means the world to me that people are actually viewing my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend to come watch it. I got more coming for you guys. Peace.